Welcome. With Lista's Keysearch tool, you can search for image inspiration straight from Amazon's search results. You simply choose a category, search for a keyword or a keyword phrase, and Lista will show you the first page of Amazon results, but through a grid of listing images. If you click on an image, you will access a page that contains all of the images, copy, and EBC for that particular listing. The purpose of this tool is to enable you to search for inspiration and to compare competitors' images without having to open 10 individual tabs and to switch between them. The search function might take up to 30 seconds, and this is because with each search, we're downloading a lot of information and images from Amazon in order to display them and remove all the excess information and clutter.